Collections are structured data where you store content to display on your site. Connect them to a dynamic page to create multiple pages with real estate listings, recipes, portfolios, and more. In these collections, each row represents a different page. Each column represents a different field. Fields contain types of content, also known as data types, to be displayed on the website. Data types include text, image, URL, location, and more. Set your collection fields according to the widgets you want to use. Internal collections include a mandatory field, which must be unique. When building dynamic pages, this field will be the page item URL. Since each row represents a page, a URL must be defined for each row. Page item URL does just that. So give it a try. Start building your first collection now.